Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and it looks like today we're working on puzzle 79. So let's start with this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 8 and 9. If we work on this box, looks like we're missing a 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 6. That 3 means this is our 1 and 3. Let's work on this bottom row. Looks like we're missing 5, 6, 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so 5. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and a 9 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. Just to finish out this box, looks like this must be our 8 here. For this box then, we're missing a 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 and a 5 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. And that means that this is also 2, 5. For this column, we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 1 there. So 6 and 1. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, and no help here, so 2, 3, 5. We look at this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. That 9 means this is our 3 and our 9. For this column then, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got no help here, so 3, 5, 7. No help here, 3, 5, 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here. So 3, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 3, 6, 9. We've got a 9 covering this box and a 3 here. So 6 up and an 8 there. So this is our 6. And since the 8 and 9 can't be here, this is our 3. And then if we look up here, that 3 makes this our 8, and here's our 9. So that 3 means the 3 can't be here. So to finish out this box, looks like we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 1, 5. And no help here, so 1, 5, 7. Let's do this column here. We're missing a 1, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 and a 9 here, so 5, 7. 1, 9 here, so 5, 7. We've got a 7 covering this box, but no other help, so 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 there, so 4, 5. We've got a 4 and an 8 there, so 1, 5. We've got a 1, 4, and 8 there. So this must be our 5. So then this is our 1, our 4, and our 8. That 5 Oh, did we mess up again? Ah, yes. We've got a 5 here, so we were missing 1, 4, and 8. Nope, 1, 6, and 8. 1, 4, 6, and 8, sorry. So we did have the 1, 6, and 8 here, so that does mean that's our 4. And the 8 here means this is 1 or 6. The 6 here means that this is 1 or 8. Still not sure we're right here. All right, I am unsure of where the mistake was this time, but I think we are going to call this one done. If you saw where I made a mistake, please do let me know down in the comments. I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.